This is Mi 11X and the question is, the smartphone is still worth it in 2022? Find out in this video. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, it's a video. Starting with the design and the build quality. So when it's come to design, I think Redmi did a great job. I really like this design look. Especially I like this color and the camera bump. Now talk about the build quality. The smartphone built with Gorilla Glass 5 front and back and plastic frame. So overall the smartphone build quality is okay. The Mi 11X have a really high quality 6.67 inch 120Hz HDR10 Plus screen with a resolution with 1080 into 2400 pixel with 395 ppi density. So overall Mi 11X display is so good. Now let's talk about the processor. The Mi 11X comes with Snapdragon 870 CPU using 1x3.2 GHz, GPU using Adreno 650, and this is 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM variant. Right now the smartphone running MIUI 12.5.7 with Android 11, and at the same time you also play any types of game in a very high graphics and max frame rate. So let's move on to the camera section. Mi 11X comes with triple camera setup, 48MP main lens with 1.8 aperture, 8MP ultra wide with 2.2 aperture, 5MP macro with 2.4 aperture, and the front, the smartphone comes with 20MP selfie camera with 2.5 aperture. Main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60, 120fps and 960fps super slow-mo video, and the phone video quality is so good. The photo quality is so good. Overall the camera are very good. You can get a pretty good photo with a lot of details. And the phone also have a dedicated night mode, so you can take a better photo in a night. And the phone camera to API enable, so you can easily use Gcam to take a better photo, and the phone also support Gcam 8.4. Let's talk about the security. The Mi 11X comes with side fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Both one is very fast and secure. The Mi 11X powered by 4520 mAh battery with 33W fast charger. So overall you can get almost 1 day battery backup. So overall Mi 11X is still a very good phone in 2022. You can definitely buy the phone. Okay, this is all about today's video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.